A boundary and the silent treatment can both create distance, but they are not the same. A boundary is clear. I am overwhelmed. I need 30 minutes and I will come back at 7.
It names your need, your action, and when connection resumes. It does not demand the other person change. Silent treatment leaves the other person guessing. No explanation, no return point, and sometimes silence becomes punishment or control. But withdrawal is not always manipulation. People can shut down when conflict feels overwhelming.
So look for the pattern. Was the pause communicated? Is it time limited? Does the person return and repair? Healthy space lowers the heat, then makes room for dialogue. Unexplained silence can deepen demand-withdrawal cycles. Try this. I care about this. I need a pause. Let us talk at 7. Space can protect connection.